In this video, I will show you how to create and sell digital products in easy way. Hi, welcome to Cash Flow. We will discuss how to make money online by creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, printables, and templates. We will also explore popular platforms such as Gumroad and Etsy where you can sell your products and how to market your products to earn passive income from product sales. Part 1. Creating digital products. The first step in creating digital products is to choose a product type. There are many types of digital products you can create, but some of the most popular ones include ebooks, printables, and templates. Ebooks are digital books that can be read on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. They can be created on various topics such as cooking, fitness, or personal development. To create an ebook, you can use software such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You can also hire a freelance writer to write the content for you. Printables are digital files that can be printed and used for various purposes such as planners, calendars, and worksheets. To create printables, you can use software such as Adobe Photoshop or Canva. You can also hire a graphic designer to create the designs for you. Templates are digital files that can be used as a starting point for various projects such as resumes, business cards, and social media posts. To create templates, you can use software such as Adobe InDesign or Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also hire a graphic designer to create the designs for you. Once you have created your digital product, the next step is to format it and save it in a compatible file format such as PDF or JPEG. You can then upload it to a digital product selling platform such as Gumroad or Etsy. Part 2. Selling digital products on Gumroad and Etsy. Gumroad and Etsy are two popular platforms where you can sell your digital products. Gumroad is a platform that allows creators to sell digital products directly to their audience. Etsy is a platform that allows creators to sell handmade and vintage items as well as digital products. To sell digital products on Gumroad, you need to create an account and set up your product page. You can then upload your digital product and set a price. Gumroad charges a small fee for each sale, but you get to keep most of the revenue. To sell digital products on Etsy, you need to create an account and set up your shop. You can then create product listings for your digital products and set a price. Etsy charges a small fee for each sale, but you get to keep most of the revenue. Part 3. Marketing your digital products. Once you have created and uploaded your digital products to Gumroad or Etsy, the next step is to market your products to attract buyers. There are many ways to market your digital products, but some of the most effective ones include social media marketing. Use social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your digital products. You can create eye-catching graphics and videos to showcase your products and share them with your followers. Email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers who are interested in your digital products and send them regular newsletters with product updates and promotions. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche who have a large following and ask them to promote your digital products to their audience. Paid advertising. Use platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads to run targeted ads for your digital products. Content marketing. Create valuable content such as blog posts, videos, and podcasts related to your digital products and use them to attract potential buyers. Part 4. Earning passive income from product sales. One of the benefits of selling digital products is that you can earn passive income from product sales. Passive income is income that you earn without actively working for it. To earn passive income from digital product sales, you need to create high-quality products that provide value to your customers and market them effectively. You also need to optimize your product listing and pricing to attract buyers and maximize revenue. Part 5. 3 tips and tricks to maximize your results. 1. Choose a product that you are passionate about and that has a market demand. 2. Make sure your product is visually appealing and easy to use. 3. Use social media and email marketing to promote your products and attract customers. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating and selling digital products is a great way to make money online. By following the steps we have discussed in this video, you can create high-quality digital products, sell them on popular platforms such as Gumroad and Etsy, and market them effectively to earn passive income from product sales. So, start creating and selling your digital products today and take the first step towards financial freedom. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.